So next we have a screen stretching machine. Well, this machine is one of the most ignored machine, I would say, by many people. I've seen in YouTube a lot of people trying to do the DIY version, with hand stretching and stuff like that. But I have to be very honest here, and with the experience, I'm telling you, those doesn't work. Please don't mind. But this is my experience, and with experience, I'm speaking. The DIY hand stretching, with all the nails and stuff, it doesn't stretch that perfectly. Okay. We need a very good stretch screens so that we can print a very crisp and sharp image. And also when you are doing multicolored printing, then we definitely need all our screens to align together, which we term as registrations. So if you do not have a very good stretch screens, registrations will be off no matter how you want to fix that. Definitely, I would recommend, if you can, at least go and get a manual stretching machine that is good enough to get started professionally. And then when you have money, when you have capital, you can always invest on the pneumatic screen stretching machine.